There are a lot of articles, there's a lot of YouTube videos, there's a lot of suggestions, professional manuals and things that talk about how to ask for a raise. One thing that they're all missing is something that I think you should know. The foundation for any type of request for additional compensation that you need to understand is what type of parameters are there or restrictions on your job and the pay for that job. What I'm talking about is it a governmental job? Those are prearranged by steps, which if you've gone through the grueling process to apply and receive a governmental job, you know that. Similar industries or occupations are healthcare, hospital budget, schools, education, union, contracts. So where there are parameters and guidelines and frameworks that box in your job, you need to know that. Then if you want to advance within the framework and you have room to advance within the framework, then all of those suggestions about showing diligence and a great attitude and productivity and likability and any awards or major milestones you've made, those will all help you in the merit process of where you work to get ahead. Those are not going to be things that are going to help you in a free market based business, all right? That is going to take a showing by you of value. It's not an endurance contest that the person who's the president got there because they were at the company the longest. It's not an endurance contest. It's also not a popularity contest. What you need to do is show value. And in order to show value, you need to know the fundamental thing, which is how does the company or business that you work for make money? How does it make money? Is it a product that they make and manufacture and sell? Is it a product that they acquire and assemble and sell? Is it some other type of product, or is it a service? What does that company do? You need to first learn what the company does and how it makes money. That's the only way you're ever going to be able to create value in your particular position in order to move up. Now, there may be a delay because you obviously need experience and things like that. So there, our other video on the yays and nays will help you to expand your connections within the company and to lay the foundation for you to then move up financially. But you need to know how that company makes money. All right, that's your starting point, and we'll go from there.